Hey everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. And this is a 1968 Camaro that spent a majority of its life in San Jose, California. Do you know the way to San Jose? That's a song. Dionne Warwick sang it. Anyway, it is no longer a 327. We got a crate 350 in this guy. We have a 4-speed Muncie. It did come with a 2-speed Power Glide. It lived a lot of its life in California, hence you don't see any of that, you know, rusty stuff.
Pesky rust.
I hate pesky rust.
Ooh, we got Houndstooth on the seats.
Houndstooth. Isn't that wonderful?
It is wonderful.
We got highway gears in the rear. It is a very well kept car. Oh my gosh, the original radio's in here. Yeah, the original radio.
Oh, look at that.
Would you look at it? It says Delco.
Also got a full-size spare with the BF Goodrich on it. Camaro floor mats are back here. The trunk mat is in great condition.
You'll be happy with that.
Oh, I love stickerage.
He's a big, huge fan.
I love when original stickers are on cars. Very nice trunk.
Why wouldn't you though?
Closes great. It's got the spoiler on it.
Yeah, it does.
I enjoy it. Very nice Pioneer speakers back here on the deck lid.
I like it a lot. It's very clean.
Yeah, it's a clean car. You got the gauge package down here, which is really cool on these Camaros. You want that. Awesome Hurst shifter also. Cool steering wheel. Again, Houndstooth bucket seats. Center console car. We got the Protecto plate.
Oh yes, we do.
In that little frame over there too, and the owner's manual. Very nice. Doors open and close great. Got the hood popped for us. There's that crate 350.
Isn't it nice?
It is very nice. It's peppy. It's peppier than the 327 would have been. This one's actually pretty quick.
Yep, we do have power steering in the car.
Yeah, no power brakes though, unfortunately, but that's okay.
Brake early, brake often.
Yeah, if you have a strong leg, you'll be fine.
2 strong legs would be better.
Yeah, but we put this 350 in here. It's a fresh build.
Fresh.
The engine has a few miles on it though, so it's already broken in. It's ready to go, ready to drive, and I'm ready to hear it.
Let's do it, man. Let's do it.
Big chrome bumpers on the back. Gotta love that. BF Goodrich. Very nice with the rally wheels. Oh, the headlights work. And the blinkers, very nice. I love the vinyl roof on this red paint too. The vinyl roof is cool. Here's your microphone, good sir.
Yay, here we go.
All right. Yeah, that must be the original radio in the trunk, because in here we have an updated one with a cassette tape player. Look at that.
A tape deck.
A tape deck. That's a futuristic.
It's been a few years.
When this car came out. Back in...
I love the gauges.
Yeah, the gauges are nice. You got all the rally gauges down here. You got fuel, oil pressure, which is great. Battery and temp right down there. Very nice. And then behind it, you got the 4-speed with the Hurst ball shifter. Looks amazing. And then the pattern plate down here as well. And then these are where you would clip your seatbelts when you inevitably don't use them, because it's 1968. No one wore seatbelts, no one cared.
They really didn't.
There was no seatbelt law yet, you didn't have to.
And if you had kids, they smoked in the car.
Yeah.
And
2 back seats, you could fit at least 5 kids back there. What are you talking about?
Sure. Hell, I put a kid in the trunk to get in the driving frame.
And they did.
Man, we did.
They got the nice faux wood all over the whole center console. There's your air controls. No AC in this one. But you got your heater and your fan controls up there. I got a you-know-what handle right here in case Chris decides to drive crazy.
Maybe.
And this one gets up and goes. And with the manual brakes, you want to be prepared to brake. They work fantastic, but when you're used to power brakes, you gotta kind of get used to it.
Yeah, if you're used to modern stuff, you know, it's not. It's more raw, but I like it that way.
It is more raw is a good way to put it, but I also like it. The shifter is a Muncie, or the transmission, I'm sorry, is a Muncie, which means you get a very nice, solid clunk into every gear. You definitely know when you're in gear. It's got a pretty short throw.
It does.
I noticed when I drove it.
I don't think it's a rock crusher though. I think it's a 21, but
it's got a lot of good feedback though on the shifter. Yeah. Shifts amazing. Got a big steering wheel. There's no buttons for the volume for your radio or anything on this wheel.
No, there's none of that. There's horns.
There is a horn, and it does work. We're gonna go around the roundabout.
Oh, is it gonna rain on us?
It looks like it might rain soon, so we gotta be a little careful. We'll be quick.
Yeah, I don't know what it's gonna do. Our weather is crazy, people.
It's Missouri. The dashboard in this car is also in great condition.
Oh, it really is.
No cracks or anything on that. The view out over the hood is awesome. The ride's nice too.
Oh, the ride's great.
There's not a lot of squeaks or rattles or anything like that.
This was an original 61,000-mile car when we got it.
Oh, wow.
And so the seats aren't really broken in, so they're really comfortable.
Yeah, the seats are great. And I like the Houndstooth on the buckets.
I do too.
It just looks a little bit classier in my opinion.
And the gauge cluster is
I know,
really
we
nice.
also got Houndstooth on the back seats. There's the frame with the owner's manual and protecto plate in there. Very nice. The Pioneer speakers are a nice upgrade, along with the newer radio in case you want to listen to your sweet FM stations.
Your tapes.
On your radio or your cassette
mixed tapes.
The gauges in front of the driver are also very nice. Got a
Very
speedo
nice,
and a tach and a clock. That's all you need.
It's really all you need. Oh, I like the way they're set up.
I know.
It's a very nice car.
The big double gauges in the Camaro are nice. They kind of tried to do a similar thing with the rally gauges and the two in front of the driver when they brought the Camaro back in 2010, I think it was.
2010.
Because we have one right now, the white one with the orange stripes. It's got the gauges down there on the bottom, the four of them. I think they have a trans cooler though, which we don't have a transmission gauge.
We don't need.
We don't need one though. But you also have a cigarette lighter here. But in case you want to take up smoking, but don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes. Here we go.
Oh man,
a very
this thing just wants to go.
I know. There's a very slow 4Runner.
What are you doing, dude?
And a box truck in front of us. Oh, there's a police officer.
I don't know why he stopped.
I don't know why he stopped either. We had a green light.
People are fun.
People are fun. Hopefully when we get up to the bean test,
Oh, there they go.
these people won't be in our way.
Man, what a crazy person.
We could show off the beans a little bit.
Oh, absolutely.
I do like the digital clock we have now in our newer radio, though. It's a nice upgrade.
It is nice. It's digital. Isn't that what we call it?
Digital. It's electric. Boogie, woogie, woogie.
Got that one there.
Very nice.
I love when we do that.
I know.
Now, what is this dude doing? Oh, you're just ruining a Camaro drive. I love this car.
It says Bono on the back of his truck. Do you think Bono is in there?
Hello, hello. He's going to Vertigo. It's a place you shouldn't go. Silly, silly man. Boy, he's gonna go ahead of us. Yeah, he's gonna be,
Yeah, he's gonna be in the way, but that's okay. We're still in a 68 Camaro and he's in a box truck.
Yes, he is.
So we're having more fun and we're cooler.
We're way cooler. All right, maybe. If you say it, maybe it's not cool.
Oh, he's turning.
Yeah!
Here's the bean test.
Get out of my lane!
Second gear.
Oh my goodness!
That took off pretty good.
I gotta take it easy though.
This crate engine makes a lot of torque.
Ton of torque. It really does get out of its own way.
It revs out pretty good.
They're highway gears, but dear God, they're moving.
I kind of like slightly lower gears though, especially with the 4-speed. Because I mean, if you had a 5 or 6-speed, you could deal with slightly shorter gear ratio.
Yeah.
But this means that on the highway, the engine's not going to be screaming.
Which we hate.
And it does take a little longer to rev out and get to the next gear, but it just means you can listen to your engine for longer.
I know, and it's nice.
Think of it that
I didn't
way.
think about it that way. It's a nice way to think about it.
And even with low gears, this engine makes so much torque that it still is plenty to be quick.
I say we call it Torquey McTorkerton.
We can nickname it that.
Let's do it.
Torquey McTorkerton.
Let's do it.
You're ridiculous.
I am. Let us go on a little, well, you do it, man. You do it.
I'm going to do some flybys.
All right, let's do it. All right, good luck. He's off, ladies and gentlemen. Flyby number 1. Ho, 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 ho. That Camaro scoots. Yeah, 327, that was kind of, you know, underpowered, like 250 horse, 2-barrel, 2-speed power glide. It was a nice cruiser. This one, a little bit more attitude. And I like it that way. cooking with gas. Headlights work.
Oh, hello, Christopher.
Well, second gear seemed to be fun now, didn't it?
I'm telling you, dude, this thing makes a lot of power.
It cranks.
If you shift it fast enough, I mean, this thing will take off.
And I love it's geared for highway gears, but you still get going.
Trust me, this 350 crate engine is plenty healthy to get this thing around. I think
Absolutely.
it's fast by today's standards. Plus, you have the great gauge package you want in a first-gen Camaro.
Yeah.
With the rally
You
gauges
really
and
do.
stuff.
And look, I can do this while you're talking, and it's easy to see.
I know.
I love this camera.
Plus, it's red with the vinyl roof, which is exactly how all of these should be.
Absolutely.
4-speed, 350 crate. What more do you want?
You don't want anything more. You want to buy this car.
I know. You want to take it back?
Let's go.